Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Cartier Tank Francaise medium quartz movement, reference W4TA0009. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the dial, the diamonds, which is the bezel, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. This watch is the medium size. As you can imagine, they make it in small, medium, and large, this one being medium. The dimensions on this watch are 30 millimeters. That's from my thumb to my index finger going long way by 25 millimeters going in this direction. So it's longer than it is wide. And the thickness, actually, you know what I could do? Is I could take off this little, that might help so that you could actually see the watch. It, in this direction, which is the height, it's 6.6 millimeters thick, which is a very good size for most women, which makes this one of the most popular watches. It's an iconic look by Cartier. Yeah, it's an iconic look. Okay, so the case, which is what houses the movement and is the head of the watch, it's stainless steel, but it has 26 brilliant cut diamonds totaling a carat weight of 0.62, and it has a faceted crown set with a synthetic carbon shaped spindle. What does that exactly that mean? I'll try to show that to you here. Hopefully the light, you see that little blue thing? It's a maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. Cabochon shaped spindle. Okay, let me show you the dial here. Now let's move on to the dial. I talked about the case, talked about the crown. Let's talk about the dial here. The dial is a silvered dial. They call it a silver dial. It actually looks kind of white to me, but I guess it's coming like off-white, white or silver. At any rate, it's blue steeled sword-shaped hands. Okay, so those little tiny hands are sword-shaped. How exactly do you tell the time on this? Well, I'm about to show you live here on YouTube. You pull out the crown and you simply set the time. So whatever it is, let's say you want it at 3:40. Then you'd go down like this. It doesn't have a date. You simply pull out with your finger or your fingernail and then push it back in and then kaboom. It doesn't have a second hand because it's a quartz watch. Get to that in a second. So there's no second hand. I think it makes it look smoother, and I really love the dial. It's actually, it's quite iconic, so I don't know how you couldn't love the dial. I forgot to mention that this watch is water resistant to up to 30 meters or 100 feet. That's pretty darn deep. That's actually very deep. So I'm not sure who would exactly go that deep with their fancy Cartier Tank diamond watch, but if you wanted to, you certainly could. Okay, let's see, what else can we talk about? Let's talk about the bracelet. Now I guess I could, this is a new watch, but I do want you guys to be able to see this and at live on YouTube and kind of peel back this sticker so that you could see how beautiful it is. Wow, that is beautiful actually, isn't it? Okay, let me describe this bracelet a little bit to you. In my hands, I can tell how fluid it is and how beautiful it is. I'm pretty sure you can see how beautiful it is, and I can just describe it to you. Down the center links, you have brushed finish. Down the edge links, you have high polish. And the fluidity and good machining, polishing, etc. on this beautiful watch is really beautiful. Okay, what kind of buckle do you have? You have this butterfly mechanism where you pull up on both sides and it simply opens like such. Pretty darn cool, right? Okay, let's talk about the movement. I can't actually show you the movement, and I can't actually show you very much because there's all these stickers and I don't want you to see the serial number. But basically, I mean, there's not really a whole lot to see. It's a solid case back and it's a quartz movement, so you can't really see anything anyways. All right, so I guess that should be about it to all the different parts of this watch. And did I forget to mention, if you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. We have the lowest prices anywhere online. Yes, if you want to buy this watch, click on the link in the description below and buy it. Here are my thoughts. My thoughts are, if you want a not super expensive, quote unquote super expensive, meaning like $10,000. If you want a watch that isn't super expensive, but is still like very classic, and how do you put this thing in? I guess you just push? I'm not sure, I don't want to, okay. Fine, well, we're gonna, okay. Anyways, if you want a watch that is very iconic and can go with everything, you know, and it's not super expensive, then this would be it. The Tank Francaise. Now, of course, I have a man's wrist, but this watch is for a female, so it's not going to look exactly like this, but it will look close. It does look pretty darn cool, right? I wonder how this thing doesn't close. Let's try closing it like this. Oh, you just snap it like that. Okay. I just don't want to break it because of my big, strong hands. Okay, here you go. Just, man, this, when it's new, everything's super tight. Okay, anyways, that's how it looks. So, pretty awesome, right? Let me remove the sticker here for you guys. See how much work I'm doing for you guys? Remove these stickers live on YouTube. Okay, check that out. Bam. Nice, right? Beautiful. Flush. Love it. If you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com. JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos, and if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.